Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today we are going to do a wind spinner, a sublimation wind spinner, and I just did where there's another video that I did whenever I designed this. Now these images were from Canva. I do have Canva Pro, but I made it on the silhouette. So now I'm going to go ahead and press it. And the reason why it's going to have some edges down here is because the stem right here, but I can paint that green. That's no problem. The reason why I did this is because there are some people that are starting out with sublimation and they have an 8.5 by 11. Now, I will tell you, if you were to cut this design and try to piece it together on a hard, flat surface, you tend to get a line 9 times out of 10. No matter how good you tape, hard, flat surfaces are kind of tricky. So I'm just going to slide this down and I'm going to paint that green. And I'm doing this because most of the people start out with an 8.5 by 11. All right. So, and the key to this is you are going to sublimate one side at a time. All right. So now let me move that one right over there. Now I'm going to have to move this up because I'm not going to match this color of paint. So and you will see in just a minute, let me get it. You will see my pumpkin right down there, which is no problem. All right, so now I am going to tape this down. And let me go ahead and put it on my blowout paper real quick. All right. All right, fold that over, and I'm going to get, just to be on the safe side because the gas escapes, I'm going to put it inside of this one. All right, and I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and we are going to tape this on here also. All right, so now I should have flipped that part and I didn't. And I'm going to sublimate this just the way it is, one-sided. All right, so move you over here, and then I am going to take this. There's some room right up there. All right. And we're sublimating at 385 for 60 seconds. All right, and I'm going to let that cool for a moment, and then we will sublimate the other side. Okay, so here is the top little spinner part. I will tell you, there's a few places on the white. Now, the way that you can get around this is if you have a pick scan with a silhouette, you can take this and set it on there and take a picture of it. It will give you the outline, and then you can just apply this in there. So that way, if you're selling these, you won't have the white in there. I will have to do a tutorial on that too. But other than that, just the little white, it's not bad. It's really cute. All right, and this is still extremely hot, so I will be back for that one. Okay, so I could have stretched it up a little bit more, but it looks really cute for what it is. All right, so now I am going to put this on here, and I want to go ahead and move down just a little bit more. Maybe not. All right. All right, so now I have those set. I guess I didn't press record, but you've seen it just a minute ago. We're going to press for at 385 for 60 seconds. All right, now I will let this cool off, and then we will apply the hardware, and you have a beautiful wind spinner. Okay, and then your hardware that you have with it, you can put at the bottom or the top, or you can link all your wind spinners together however you would like. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the top. And I'm letting this thing cool on top of my heat resistant sheet. Okay, and then I'm not going to put this one together yet because I'm going to put some green paint on it. But there you go. How cute is that? If you have any questions about this, you can comment below.